Here are some expressions for opening and closing things. Twist open the top. Twist closed the top. Break open the plastic. Unscrew the top off the jar and screw the top on the jar. Unseal the top. Seal the top. Rip open the bag. Clip closed the bag. You snap open the top. You snap closed the top. You unlock the door. You unlatch the door. You latch the door. You bolt the door or lock the door. You unscrew the bottle top or you screw the bottle top back on. Uncap a bottle. You crack open a can. You open a tin, but you can't reseal it. It comes off. Unseal the bag. Seal the bag. Can you think of any more ways of opening and closing containers? Leave it in the comments.